Hi, it's Roni, and this is my kit for September. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, I know. But I plan on doing a lot of layouts, so I wanted to make sure I had enough stuff. I added a lot of paper last month and cardstock because I did not even come close to having enough. And then I felt like I needed other embellishments because I had the sticker sheet and the chipboard, and that wasn't enough. But I added this just now because of a challenge in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and it's to alter wood veneer. And this has been laying on my desk, and it's starting to get a little rusted up. Well, not rusted. I don't think it's rusted, just scuffed up, because it does have the plastic on the back. So I'm adding it, and I'm going to stick it in here with these. And these are sushi ones, because I have a couple of sushi restaurant pictures that I've been planning on scrapping, and of course have not done it. I have a couple of washi. I added the wood veneer from last month and added more to it, and this flare was in last month's, but I thought I'd go ahead and put it back in this month's. This came in my Secret Not Secret kit. These right here, and I'm going to use them on my layout. I'm going to set them separate. I'm not going to throw them in there in my IKEA thingy. I found these, and they're partials, and then I put in pink, and the pink was from last month, and I added this. I used one of these last month that wasn't in my kit, but I thought I'd go ahead and add these two. And this was in there last month, and I'm still adding it because I think I can use that this month, maybe the play this month, adventure. So there's a few things I can add this month. And I had all of this last month, and I'm adding it again. I added enamel dots, enamel shapes, puffy hearts, and other puffy stickers. I added titles that are in pink because I got stuff for girls and boys in my Secret Not Secret Kit Club and kit, and so these are pink fresh. I put this back in there because, yeah, I was going to put my smash book, but I decided I was going to try to use it again. I can't even talk. I put these labels in here because they're pink, and I thought they would go, and these are puffy shapes. I don't know if this will go with anything, but I have a picture in mind for it if I can get around to doing it. Since I've got boys' layouts, I always put stars on them, and that's why the wood veneer stars. And I added down lots of stars for my layout. I added this pink fresh for titles. Hopefully I will use them. I've had them a few years and have not used them. They look like new. I added all these stickers. These, I don't know what happened to the packaging. I think my granddaughters might have been over. I don't know. But they don't have packaging no more, so I added them, so maybe I could get them used up. And I got this in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And I've got this pink fresh one from last month. I'm putting it back in. These were from last month, and I'm putting them back in. I added this because I thought surely I can use them somewhere sometime this month. I added some twine. I don't know if I can use these or not, but I know I'll have a couple pictures at zoo, so maybe. This was in my kit club. This is the ephemera, and the kit club thing is Teen Spirit by Echo Park, the boy and the girl, and so I have both of them. I added these, and I figure I won't use the glitter ones, but I may use the wooden ones and alter them. I might have cardinals pictures that I'm going to use. I did get one sent today, but wasn't a super great picture, but maybe they took more and they can give them to me, so I stuck that in there today. I put these in there from Scrappin' Happy Studio, and this is from L Studio, and I have a bunch of those that I haven't never touched, but I added them. I got some more washi tape. These from Ellie Studio. I think I said L's logo. And they are hearts, circles, and I think the center part too. I'm not sure, but I had never opened it till a while ago because I'm not what's in there. So yeah, I stuck them in here. And some more enamel shapes that I thought might go with the kit. This came with my Secret Not Secret Kit Club. That one didn't know, but I threw it in here. Got buttons and I've got stars. And I'm adding them. My sticker sheets. Oh, I missed putting a button in. My sticker sheets for each the boy and girl. And I have made one boy layout in July when I got this at the end of July. I couldn't resist. I had to make one, and yeah, I couldn't wait. And here's the patterned paper for the boy, and it's like every other one done, so flip it over, it's the other side, so I need to flip that over because that side's up. And this is the girl one, and Christina included these, and this is like one of my most favorite papers ever. And of course I always love a pinstripe, which I've mentioned several times before, and I figured that's why she put it in there. But yeah, the girl paper is every other sheet fixed, so it's really pretty too. And here's my cut file for the girl one. Hearts, I'm gonna have fun playing with that. And yeah, it's got some really pretty papers in this. But since it's Teen Spirit and I've got teenage grandkids and scrapbooking them, and I went to the zoo and the Cardinals game today, and one of my granddaughters kept sending me pictures. She said, have fun scrapbooking, and she says, I really want this one. And it was a picture of her and her sister's feet, well, their legs and their feet, where they had to sit down and their feet was tired, but they had those shoes on, tennis shoes with the flat bottoms, and their feet were killing them. I added some black and some white, 8.5 by 11, and then I put in white, black and white, 12 by 12, several sheets of each. Then I put some cardstock that looked like it would match. Quite a few sheets, because I did not want to run out. And then I used these last month, and then I had to pull more because I didn't pull enough, because I did 18 layouts and it just wasn't enough. And so yeah, I got quite a few of them. Oh, there's another one. And I used part of this on that layout at the end of July, and it's from Boys Wool. And it's a little rough shape because it's been around for a long time, being tossed about in my scrapbook room, and I didn't even use it till last month. I'd get it out to use it and then I wouldn't. And I put pink vellum and also white vellum, which, you know, you can use ink on and change it to whatever color you want. And this is corrugated, so I put it in since it matches. And I bought a package, I think it was at Big Lots, that had like 20 in it. And I used one or two right when I got it, and I haven't used it anymore, so I stuck it in here. Specialty paper. And this is cork. Yeah, my mind went blank. It's cork, and they even have scissors to take, because I started to rip it out and noticed the scissors, and it wasn't moving, so yeah, I had to cut it out. and I thought I'd use it, maybe stamp on it or die cut it or something. And then these specialty papers, I put them in here. They were from HSN once, and they're really pretty. I just kept forgetting to use them, and out of sight, out of mind, and across the room. So I'm going to put a few of them in the kit. But that's my kit for the month of September. Oh, no it's not, because I put this in there too. And so that's my kit for the month of September. But if I want to use ink or stamps or anything, punches like that, I'm going to go ahead and pull them from my stash. And yeah, but I'm looking forward to making some more layouts this month, getting all excited. Yeah, but thank you all so much for watching. I will leave the links below for everybody else that's in the How to Kill a Kit with Style, so you can check their layouts out. And if you leave a comment, I'll be sure to reply. Sorry, can't talk. I love the interaction in the YouTube comment section. And if you liked the video, please hit a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye.